So I'm allowed to show some excitement if it's my dream home. Can I be, yeah?
Definitely not.
Nothing at all?
No.
Firm but fair. My name's Wippa.
Can I get a regular skim cap, please? Sold.
If auctions scare you senseless, you're not alone. Today, gun auctioneer Sarah is going to crush those fears and show us how to game an auction.
Sarah, an exciting opportunity for me to be accompanying you to today's auction. People, the house will be sold. What do you think?
You want my honest opinion?
Sold!
So what's your style, Sarah, as an auctioneer?
First of all, I always treat all buyers as people. I always introduce myself to all the buyers, see if they've got any questions about the bidding process. It's all about being humble.
Right, okay. How do I get the upper hand at an auction?
Firstly, you definitely need to bid with confidence.
Okay, so not down the back kind of, yeah, I'm over here.
Definitely not.
Right.
Hold your card up high like this.
Oh, that's confidence.
You need to mask your emotions. So if you're stressed that you nearly reached your limit, don't show everyone that you're worried.
Okay.
And don't be whispering to your wife.
Like, honey, we don't have any more money, we can't afford this.
Exactly.
Why don't we go inside and grab a coffee?
Sounds good.
Done.
I had a feeling Sarah's top auction tips would definitely give me an edge, so the only thing left to do was to put them into practice.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a regular skim cap, rich and velvety, barista crafted, and it comes with its own lid. Bid sits at the back. Any better bidder offer before I sell inside of 3 calls, once, twice. Bid third and final call, sold to the man at the back. You can be excited now.
Thank you.
What's your tip for anybody on the auction room floor?
To do your best, and at the end of the day, if you don't get the property, go speak to the agent and see what else they've got in the area.
And with that, Sarah had taught me something very valuable about self-belief.
Even better, now I've got a poker face that will last me for years to come in my marriage. Wippa, did you leave out the milk? No, I did not.